Good morning, children. Now we start reproduction in animals, reproduction in birds. So, birds lay eggs in their nest to reproduce. So, birds reproduce by eggs. What are the structure of an egg? You see, the eggs of all the birds have the same structure. The outermost part of the egg is the hard shell. A thin membrane is present inside it. A thin membrane is present. First, it is the, you see, this is the outermost covering of the egg. This is the outermost covering of the egg. This is the shell. And after the shell, there is the membrane. Here, this is the membrane. That is a very thin membrane. Cell membrane is there. And after that, you see at the corner of the shell, there is air sac. The middle part is yellow and is called yolk. This is the middle part of egg. It is called yolk. It is rich in fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. Yolk provides nutrition to the embryo as it develops. Inside the yolk is the embryo which develops into a nestlings. Inside the yolk, embryo which develops into the nestling, that means the baby. Yolk is surrounded by a transparent jelly-like substance that is called albumin. In the egg, first it is the egg cell. After egg cell, there is a thin membrane, thin cell membrane, and after thin cell membrane, there is the layer of transparent jelly-like substance. It is called substance. And after albumin, in middle part of the egg, it is rich in protein and protect the yolk and the embryo in it. That means the yolk is surrounded by albumin. So there is an air sac on the broad side of the egg for the liquid part to expand and contract. There is the air sac at the side of the egg for the expansion and contraction of the egg. Once the eggs are laid, the birds sit on them to keep them warm. This is called incubation. The eggs go through different stages of development before the young ones break the egg from inside and come out. This is called hatching. Some birds are hatched without feathers. When the egg hatch, the baby birds come out. That time, birds do not have any feathers. They are fed by their parents and develop feathers after a few days. Some birds hatch out of the eggs with feathers. The diagram, you see the diagram shows the life cycle of a hen. You see, this is the hen and this is the hen, that this is the matured hen. So how it becomes matured? First, the hen gives the egg. After some time, egg hatch. This is the egg, this is the shell, this is the yolk and this is the albumin. This is the, you see here, this is the blood vessels, and you see in 12 days eyes in the embryo seen after 12 days when the hen lays the eggs. After 12 days, the embryo has eyes. After 18 days, wings and feet can be seen in embryo. After 18 days, we can see it has wings and feet. Wings and feet can be seen. In 21 days, egg hatches. Egg hatches and then chick come out from the egg. You see, this is the chick. So chick come out when the egg hatch. The chick come out, and after some time, when the chick becomes bigger and it takes matured, then it change into the hen. So this is the life cycle of a hen. So what do you learn from this topic? Structure of egg. In the egg, the outer covering, it is called shell. That is the hard outer covering. After the outer covering, there is thin membrane of cell, that is called membrane. It is very thin, transparent. And after membrane, there is the albumin. Albumin is jelly-like substance. It is rich in protein and protects the yolk and the embryo in it. There is air sac on the broad side of the egg for the liquid part to expand and contracts. Once the eggs are laid, the birds sit on them to keep. So what is incubation? When the birds eggs, they sit on them to keep them warm. This is called incubation. The eggs go through different stages of development before the young ones break the egg from inside and come out. This is called hatching. Some birds are hatched without feathers. They are fed by their parents and they develop feathers after a few days. So some birds hatch out of the eggs with feathers. You see the diagram here. This is the egg, matured egg, and it lays the eggs. Egg laid by the hen. You see, this is the yolk. That yolk prepare the embryo. It forms the embryo, and this water part, it gives nutrients to the embryo. And this is blood vessels in the, you see, this is the blood vessels in the egg. And after 12 days, the eyes seen in the embryo. After 18 days, wings and feet can be seen in the embryo. 21 days, after 21 days, egg hatches and the chick come out from the egg. So it has legs, it has feathers, it has eyes, but it is very little. So that time the mother fed them grains and other things, and after some time it becomes matured like this hen. This is the life cycle of a hen. This is the life cycle of a hen. Thank you.